Good. Good. Look at the birds. Good. That one. Adorable. Whatever you want to say, guys. Yeah, it's the bird. Good. 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 Sorry, birdies. Okay. Here are the flies. Raise your hand if you love flies. Here we go. The flies goose. I'm never gonna step in flies. Let's go. Since I have flies, let's go check in the trash can to see if we see any flies. Okay. Yeah, trash. Let's go check. Flies. Let's check it out every second. Still flies. I blow my nose. Some sagus. There's no fun. Let go. Ultimate breakdown. The ultimate little goose breakdown. Oh, birdie. Goose. I'm a little kid. I'm a freaking goose. I'm a little kid. Goose. Look at me, Sam. Okay. God. Hey, fly. Good. The fly goose. Little cute goose. The fly scared me at first. So cute goose. Hey, fly. There's a house hog goose. The camera. Let go. Okay, goose. There's a fly. That's a goose. You guys all know that if you know me, goose. You watch my videos all the time. You know that I absolutely took it out. Same thought? Maybe? Yes. Goose, no, it's not. It's a different fly goose. Them goose. So cute goose. Is there another fly goose? Yeah, that's because I know flies good. Guess what, guys? They don't know me at all. Yeah. I got it. I'm a vodka. I'm a vodka. Don't scare me at all. Oh. I'm this guy. Oh, okay. Goose, I guess there's a flies home. I guess the fly made a home over here, Goose. Look at the fly goes. I'm a parker. I'm so cute. Goose. Oh, fast fly, Goose. Hey, fast fly. Look. Oh, that's scary. Look at that, Goose. No one.
I'm not gonna get anything. True information I know about flies.
Hey, fly. Baby fly guy. Just under the flies. Oh, that's why. There's trash right next to the stuff that the flies were right on. Good. I'm not scared of flies at all. Good. Are you not? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be the little girl I see you running good. If you had a phone, that's how it would be like Goose. Who knows flies? Where's their head if you do, even though I said that before. Cute fly Goose. Look. Look good. Look. What kind of flies? Looks like there's a house fly Goose. But I see a lot of house flies in this area, but this over here. I see horse flies, and I see deer flies, and I see
Butterflies!
because we stared at me in front of the bears. Because because I hope that you can subscribe because if you don't, you're gonna mess it up. You're gonna I think it's so a cute fly goose. There's flies everywhere, guys.
Scream Wonderland!
Any adorable flies, come to me because I love you. Yeah, I got a bird.
Anytime, birds. Anytime.
Don't kill them. Don't kill. Because hopefully these birds don't kill the flies. The flies, because nasty to me. Nasty to you, because when you are not supposed to have it like me. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know, it's a wasp. Look at that. Goose wasp is gone, Goose. Goose.
There's actually a fly that can see in this area. But there's flies over here.
Goose.
What's up this guy? I'm gonna get the person who represented them.
They'll deserve to be dead. Goose.
too.
Goose, I'm gonna go back to where the house flies are, Goose. Goose,
I got me.
you can fly. I can see one, Goose. Please tell me I saw fly.
No.
Good. Woo. There goes fly, guys. Guys, we're gonna go for shit. I have to stop that video. I don't know what to go out there. Okay, Goose. Goose tomorrow, Goose. I'm gonna explain the video that my dad showed me about a bird.
It's a rabbit.